Welcome back everyone. This is Aftab. You are watching Aftab Forex. Today is 2nd of April 2026. New month, new rallies, new moves, new opportunities, new corrections, everything new. This is in my region weather of like it is spring, right? Everything is new, every plant is new. I promise all of you that I am not going to stop live streaming. Okay, we are going to change our lives with this strategy together. Let me quickly launch Epic Pen. Sometimes I feel I'm so lucky. From the comfort of my zone, I'm trading like even I don't need to drive a car to go to my office. I'm so lucky. A moment before I was enjoying my time with my kids. Now I'm working. No hassle of traffic, parking, no boss, this and that. So I think the 10 years that I spent in this market, I have no regret on that. Okay, zero regret. Yes, a time came in the middle, in 2021, in the middle when my channel was 5 years. So a time came, yes, that I thought maybe this is not working. So in 20 from 2020 and 2021, the global situations were also very much changed. So yes, let me quickly check the audio video. HK Wines, hello. Thank you so much for the compliment. Yes, I will be daily live streaming. So what I was saying, yes, right here, let's see. In the middle, I think, and I thought that maybe this is now working, not working, but after that, I did not lose hope. Okay, so then this strategy came in front of me. Well, early this morning before the London session and during the London session open, I took this particular trade. Okay, this one, beautiful one it was. Then there was a very good, see this level, a very good sell from there. I did not took this sell personally. I did not took this buy as well. I did nothing personally. Okay, because on gold for my personal stuff I only scalp and intraday. So in April I in April 2016 I uploaded my first video that was based on the trend lines. So 5 years of my time I spent on the trend lines. Okay, then the rest of the 5 years, how I spent it, everything I'm going to share with all of you. There is a setup going on the US 100. Just I'm sharing with you the little bit of logic of that US 100. Nicely it is going, okay, all the way from here back till there. So side by side I will be checking it, on it as well. Some of my members are holding it, so I think yes, it needs, like, its stop loss can be reduced now. Okay, it can be reduced till here. Yes, this much. So in the morning I took this trade. Anyone who took it, congratulations for this. Rest I will be looking for a trade opportunity as well on the gold US dollar, then that will be in front of you as well. Okay, trading together. So yes, this is it. Those who once understand this market once will be forever successful. But success never comes in a plate. Okay, one must have to work. One must have to do what? Work. Now I will be discussing these other the sense, like why I took it, for those of you who were not with me in the live stream. What was happening is, just on the basis of this 1 minute pattern break, let's see if I can find it, find out here. Okay, when this trend line was broken as this, see, several false break below, several false break below, but when it was right here, I took it right here. Okay, maybe right here or right here, I don't exactly remember. I guess it was right here. Yes, I remember. So for 3 minutes it was negative, then for 3 minutes positive, then for 4 minutes negative, and then finally in the live stream it hit the take profit. Then I also said that it is going to 46.59. Okay, approximately this zone, this level. So it did, but this is not my habit of chasing the markets. Otherwise I could also trade this one, I could also trade this one and make profits. And those of the traders then who ask me why people sell courses, or why if a strategy is working, why this person is teaching it to other and charging money. So that is, everyone need to multiply the income sources. Okay, everyone. But yes, obviously these are like the bad stuff, like let's say open a group and add 100 people inside it, they will learn zero. Okay, they will learn nothing, zero. So the best thing is one on one, where your mentor gives you time over WhatsApp, just like two friends talking and sharing ideas together, as that, or on Zoom. So approximately first 15 days on Zoom is much important. Okay, so wherever you are going to take a course, try to ask them, you need personal one-on-one coaching. So let's see, on gold I will be analyzing, like analysis is almost there, but I would like to Let's see if I will be taking another entry or not on the 1 minute, obviously. So if on the 1 minute I'm going to take an entry, how I will be taking it? Well, I think I almost this entry is same as it was in the morning. So less risk is involved. So yes, I don't leave less risky trades. But the take profit is not much. Okay, just this much. Hardly 46, 40 it can go. Okay, so this is the present active story on gold, which is 139 pips approx, or maybe 3016. Let me count. In the morning we got 164 pips. This is around 300 pips zone again. Just like morning, it will be again a 300 pips zone. So I was saying this trading, once you learn, once you understand, everything will be happy, for like happy and successful and peaceful. For example, let me tell you right now, if I get afraid that this is a trade opportunity and I am not taking it. Why I'm not taking it? Because I'm afraid that it will hit my stop loss. If I think this way, it means I understand trading nothing. Okay, I understand trading zero, zero but a zero, zero. I don't understand trading at all in this situation. So one must understand trading. Okay, I don't have to be afraid from the market. If I get afraid, how will be I analyzing it? Because fear is the only thing, my friend, fear. Okay, I'm not saying, like, for example, if you are someone who are taking trades at bad places, and you are afraid, that's something else. But when your analysis is to the right side of the market, then there is no fear. Then there is pure logic, pure technical. And once you follow a system for a period of some time, you understand that okay, there is there guts in this setup or this system or strategy or not. And remember, this is like, if one understood the smart money concept, if one understood the order blocks, if one understood the volume spread analysis, if one understood the Wyckoff, if one understood the Fibonacci, if one understood the Elliott wave, the patterns, the butterfly, the Gartley, the cipher, the double road, the price action, the candles, if one mastered everything. But if that person has no market structure experience, then obviously that person is going to lose in this market. That person is losing. Okay, remember, my friends, there are just easy things. Simply when the market is going up, 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 when it start to break this low point, this is market structure. From here, this bullish converts into bearish. This much one need to understand, and this is the Fibonacci. Simple. Why my levels work almost like since the start of the year. I did euro US dollar, I covered for swing trading. Every video is there on my channel. Every video is on my channel. Okay, that gave fantastic results. Then before that, from 3rd November till 5th November, around 1 month. I grow in 1 month gold US dollar from $1,000 to 1350, which was around 37-40% return in 1 month. So how is that possible? Is that possible overnight, or is that possible by copying someone, or is that possible by purchasing signals from someone? No, my friend, these things doesn't work. Don't ever purchase signal ever. Okay, don't ever purchase a signal. Always understand the market yourself, because for your money you are responsible. No one else is going to take responsibility for that. My duty is to say the honest and the truth right here. Rest people follow, not follow, that's their own choice. Okay, till death I will be saying this truth and honesty with honesty. And perhaps that's why I'm sitting right here at my home, very peaceful with my kids out there playing. US 100 seems stuck a little bit, 50% almost closed from this one. But even if it go back up there, still from there it will be dropping. Okay, still from there it will be dropping. This is the strategy. This is, my friends, the strategy. Remember, those who play jokes with the market, this market plays such a joke with them, such a joke, that that person remain a joke forever and ever. Remain. That person will not be able to face anyone. This much this market has to be taken seriously. But by seriously, I doesn't mean one should be afraid from the trade setups or from trading. No, everything has a way. Okay, if there is a problem, there is a solution to that. You know, human brain is very much like a, if I tell you, after when the wheel was invented, the wheel is the great invention, discovery, invention, whatever, wheel. But after the wheel, in the living things, this human mind, this is a very crazy thing, my friend. This is a separate device inside our skull. Believe me, this, if you look at it this way, you will say, yeah, this is like a device. So it will find a way for the problems, but without discipline, it doesn't work. This camera you are looking at me right now, who invented it? Without discipline, would it be possible for the inventor? This light, this fan, this air conditioner, I mean everything. Okay, everything. Just one moment, okay? I will be right back in a moment. Till then, you can leave your comments right here, okay? You are in the chat, then we will be having some discussion as well. One moment, okay? Okay, I'm back. Who is with me in the chat? No questions. Okay, let's go further. Let's proceed further. %50 close. Okay, close 50%, leave the rest of it with a break even. We will be getting very good and plenty and fantastic opportunities today. Well, I reduced the stop loss because I think that maybe even if it drop on me 50% almost closed, but for the rest of the 50% it should then take a bounce from right here then. Okay, otherwise it should continue straight up and hit the complete position. So how lucky this week is, on Monday I gave a trade, that trade gave 1500 pips of a profit. Okay, live I gave on Monday, and it is a very short stream, just 26 minutes if you want to check it. Then after that, the next day, I mean on Wednesday, I gave on Thursday I gave, I guess, the 164 pips of a trade. Then today we booked, no, today I guess we booked 300 pips of a profit. This is too much. Where is that? Yes, this is 298 pips of a take profit this morning today on gold. Yesterday 164. Then this one is running, we almost booked 170 pips booked with 50%. Rest running with this much. Soon, inshallah, I'm so much sure this is going to be broken, and it is going to be further continuing high. Okay, because it is not going to stop. 4660 is the level. Okay, 4660, it will create some sort of a turbulence right here, because see this middle trend, let me draw for you this middle trend. Do you see this one? This now pay close attention, I'm telling you something very much important. This is some other trend that's coming from the top. Okay, it can also reject the price, but look at this one as well, as this maybe a rejection from there back till here and then a continuation. So this is my actual mindset at this present moment. So pretty much good opportunities I can get today. Mark and Joroj, thank you so much, dear. HK1's awesome market reading, you make the chart feel so thank you so much, dear. Hopefully you will. Okay, you know, one more thing I want to tell you. Try to trade at least, like, just set a limit for yourself for 3 trades, 4 trades. Okay, and then trade that with 2 to 3 trades per day, whether losing whether winning. Don't ever try to chase these markets. Don't chasing the market means we are making fun of the market, and I have told you earlier, what, those who make fun or joke of this market make joke of that person forever and ever, who is not able to show his face to his family, his relatives, his everyone will be asking, did you recover your loss? Did you recover your loss? Did you recover? My friend, a person will get stressful. Yes, the person will get stressful. Imagine, on one hand side, a person is already having losses. On the second hand side, someone will be asking you, did you recover? Did you recover? Did you recover? That person will get mad. This is, I should say, professional bullying, I should say. I'm like being bullied a lot on this. Did you recover your loss? Did you recover your fees? I mean, every class fellow back then when I was completing my master, everyone. Hey Aftab, you are saying Forex works this. Did you recover your 50,000 rupees fee that you lost in the market? So, no jokes, okay? No jokes with this market. But by that, doesn't mean one should be afraid and this and that. No, my friend. Trade is running, is running. Yes, is running, is running. Yes, yes, yes. Mark and George, yes, 50% I announced right here as well. Here. This is that morning trade, okay? And also tell me what you guys will be in a mood after this trade. Would you like to do any other one? You just tell me, my friend. I have such a strategy that can find us any type of a trade opportunity anytime. Okay, US 100. Well, I think 50% should be closed now. See, because maybe if it break above this, then it can 50% close, and then rest of the, when you close this 50%, let the rest of the position run. And if it continue up, add that closed 50% again from right here with the same stop loss. This will be the right mindset for it. Okay, okay, thank God 50% is closed. Most traders would be like, who are scalpers and who say we understand the market, they will be placing their orders right here. 46.17. But I mean, stop should still be, even if one wants to enter from here, stops should still be below this. And yes, if it start to crash down suddenly and want to change its direction suddenly on me, it doesn't mean that my strategy will not be working. Okay, this is a little bit I want to, I am making a base of like your foundation, I should say, for the future episodes. Okay, see, till at this stage, even today I traded as well, I did everything, I didn't touch the Fibonacci or the ABCD stuff or impulsive wave. For a very long time I used Fibonacci, impulsive waves. Okay, and it doesn't mean I don't use Fibonacci and the ABCD. That is, do you remember that brick game, you know that brick game? Like, let me show you. It has like this bricks, and like sometimes this and sometimes this, if you remember. So the shape is different, but this shape is made of something. And that whole game was like different games were like you could play different games. 99 games inside it. A time came that they added 10,000 games in it. Who will play 10,000 games, my friends? So same is this, okay? Everything is a byproduct of a trend line. They say trend is your friend. Why they say? Professionals say trend is our friend. So why is trend our friend? Because the whole magic is inside this trend, my friend. Remember, the whole magic is inside this trend, my friend. Wow. I'm becoming a chart poet. the whole the whole game is inside the trend, inside the trend, my friend. Anyways, the whole game is inside the trend, my friend. Remember this forever and ever. Let's study this structure a little bit. Why I took this trade. Let's understand that. Specifically, when I see this market making these three connections and it dropped. Now remember, I am finding a trade opportunity right here. But I am looking at this. See, I'm looking at this. Why I'm looking at this? Because see, this trend line is broken. And by the time I see the market is still, I guess it was right here. No, right here. See, do it again. Market created a trend. When I see the market is right here. Okay, right here, here. Okay, this trend line is broken. See, broken, retested, and I'm here. I say, okay, till at this stage we can continue a high, and we did, and we did that one as well, this one. This is this mid break point. Market was supposed to be dropping from right here, but it gave us a breakout, which means it can continue further up again, and even more, like 4680 approximately till today and tomorrow. Okay, if not a big correction comes inside it, then make sure to don't ever get bored in the stream. Don't. You know, boredom is also that is killing. Like behind everything is a psychology. If I try to explain now, then you will be bored as well. But you should not get bored from that. Okay? Everything is psychology. When you get boredom means bad decision. Okay, and remember, this was the confirmation for today. The actual entry was from right here, but I took it from right here with you. 50% closed, rest running with. Some of you must have break even stop, some of you must have. Even if you want to close the whole position, you can. I mean, yet NY session has to open. We will get good trade opportunities further. Today is very fantastic one. Okay. And yes, those of you who then commented me for my WhatsApp number, here it is, just in case if anyone wants to contact me. This is my WhatsApp number. Let's see, give me one moment. Okay, ascending trend line. Yes, I can put it where. Ascending trend line, one is almost there. See, this ascending trend line is almost right here. And believe me, this trade can continue. Like we took it from here, right? With I think this much of a stop loss. People are still trying to crazy buying it. Remember, okay? Crazy buying it as a swing. I'm personally not holding this position. In the morning, I told you as well. When I was trading it right here, I said people are, and even those traders are very lucky who took this one as a this. Okay, in the morning I said this one, a setup that has to give profit will be giving profit. Okay, it's not as if it will not be giving profit. It will be giving us profit. If it closes below, then I will be a little bit worried. Maybe it can, this stop loss will be compromised. Okay. Where are you guys watching me from? Just let me know in the chat. Don't let me bore, okay, my friends? Please. This is a request. Don't let me bore. Try to talk a lot in the chat right here. You know, this trend line, see, this is stopping the market. See this one. And this is that block area. This 4660 approximately. Okay, again nose down. Let's see. The proper one will be, let's see, I will need to adjust the stop loss again. Well, I think yes, the stop loss is fine for now. Let's see if bulls show up near 4617 because seems a strong level. Okay, this one seems a strong level. This is, see this flag pattern sort of. So 150 pips booked right here already. 50% is running. Remember, working in this industry for 10 years, my friends. Even now, even right now, I'm getting greedy. I mean, not that type of an offensive greedy, but some sort of a greed will always be there in human mind. Okay, because I could easily say there that I want to close this whole trade, but again that was that little greed and discipline. Okay, but some greed is also inside disciplined circle. So I did not left my circle, but still that is on a, if we see things on a very micro level, that is slightly greed. Okay, so due to the greeds out there in the signals groups and this and that, some say we give 100 signals per day, some say we give 20 signals per day. Oh dear, the signals doesn't work. If they work, why they are selling? If anything work is either your own practice, okay, either if one is showing you it live, one on one, in person, physically together, or on Zoom or somewhere, then it will be making sense. But signals, even I can open a signal group for you, but some of you will be sometimes sleeping, some of you will sometimes be taking it late. So then I say, if people are more focusing on the signals and this and that and spending thousands and thousands of dollars for that subscription, this subscription, I must say cancel every subscription. Just listen to me what I say, and very shortly you will be successful. I uploaded this week 2 strategy videos. Make sure to check them out. Okay, understand it, practice it, and from Monday then we will be see that, okay, what questions do you have. But everything, my friend, like for, you know, if I want to clap with one hand, I cannot clap. I am one hand right here sitting at this side of the corner of the globe. You are the second hand. This clap will sound only if you and we both do it the same way. Understand this strategy very, even this is like, if my friend, ABCD pattern strategy is way too complicated for most of the traders. So why not understand this? But through ABCD pattern, I reached to this point where I am publicly giving trade opportunities and sharing trade setups and this and that because of the trend line. Wow, India, Ponvo Salmon, Nigeria, great. Kenya, great. Signals are good, but I want to learn and have ability to take trades like you with my own thinking. Exactly, HK Wines. This is the spirit I need in my followers, who should, like, you need to, like, this is a very enjoyable process. At the same time, you learn it and you are sure about your future that you will be successful. How will one be sure about the future that this future will be successful? Is by looking at the strategy. Just practice, it requires just practice, nothing else. Practice, 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 and within a very short time, I should say 1 year, 1.5 years is not a very big time. To me it took 10 years. To you, you have a mentor, you guys will get it so quickly. Now it's up to you how frequently you come to the live streams, how much part you take in the quizzes that I will be bringing. Then I will be taking live calls as well from out of you who understand these things and who have some pro level questions, stuff like that. Some other knowledge who can help me in the support resistance level somewhere. So this is my, like, you see, in winters everyone sleep and I would be sitting right here on this table in making those Euro USD forecasts for all of you. January, February, March. Fantastic opportunities. They were fantastic opportunities. Okay, some of them are still present on my chart as a memory. I think I have deleted them. No, they are there. See? At the peak. Look at it, my friends. And these were swing trades. Okay, these are not scalping trades. Proper. A hold of like on 29th January executed, closed right here on this day, 4th February. Along with that, another trade executed, another executed, this one executed and then left with break even. There is a video present, there is a video present for all of these setups. Even this one, even this one. This one has a bigger take profit. Okay, this one has an actual take profit right here with this much stop loss. Okay, but then for some reason I was busy with my members and stuff like that. So, and after this is closed, I'm now mainly trying to be bullish or staying a little bit neutral or break, stuff like that. So this is, and see, the New York session has not yet opened and we have booked almost 50%, like 164 pips. Now I think maybe let's see these other time frames as well. You know, candlestick reading is my favorite one, so let's see the 15-minute. There is no bearish engulfing. See this candle, this red one is smaller than the previous one, but I mean, yes, still if it drops still here on the 15-minute, it will seem a bit scary. Okay, but overall the trade was good, not bad. 164 from here and 150 from right here. So nicely 300 pips of a profit. Sorry, this was a 300 pips and this is a 150 pips when 50% I was closing, so 164 pips that was. And even the rest, still there is hope. Fresh bulls came in, liquidity sweep happened below this because bulls entered right here, liquidity was right here for strong scalper. But you know, my strategy is slightly different from others. Plus Fibonacci is right here, so yes, still it is nicely bullish. And then there is this trend line as well. See, this trend line seems a little bit broken, but let's see if price break in. There will be a big order block somewhere in that situation. If it stops right here, I'm a little bit afraid of that order block again as well. So maybe 25% I can again close right here. So overall 75% would be closed. But anyways, let's see. Okay, overall profit is 229 pips. Okay, so out of this 115, yes, 115 pips booked right here, not 164, 150. 300 in the morning. Let's have a look at that Nasdaq 100 very quickly. Wow, KE, where is, here it is. Okay, yes, I'm glad I closed 50% of it. Okay, rest again maybe I can near this trend line. Maybe till tomorrow it will be following this trend line, because this much easy it may not be closing above that. One more thing I want to do very quickly, and that is Forex Factory. I want to quickly check Forex Factory today. We have unemployment claims that came 202k positive for the dollar. Okay, nice. Then tomorrow what we have, non-farm and unemployment and hourly earning. Well, yes, let's see. We have no further news. Okay, here is that logic. When in August, if you remember Jackson Hole Symposium, those days when I used to live stream, I already told you this thing. There a news came good for the dollar. Everyone in the world know that dollar is now getting strength. Is it right or wrong? Everyone knows, right? The market makers also know this. Now you tell me. The market maker, if they know, they will be going the opposite direction. So my friend, try to learn this strategy. Okay, try to learn and make money for yourself, your families, free of cost. I'm telling you right here. Even I'm telling you right here, unsubscribe every signal group, everything. Just come live right here to the live stream and stay connected. Be on this strategy and then see how much profits it's going to bring to us. Oh, Marcos, my dear friend, welcome to the channel. How are you doing? I'm good, thank you so much. Yes, HK Wines, it will break that level, and it will not be stopping then. If it breaks this, flying, it doesn't mean we should be adding crazy buying decisions there, because we have to see the structure as well. Let's see if this candle closes as a bullish engulfing and there is a pattern almost established. See, well, if this pattern works, then I already have told you that since morning people are buying. Like I know people who have invested, like on this one they are taking a $5,000 of a risk, and they are trying to get $10,000 of a profit from it as this as a whole. Those busy people, big traders, big accounts, 30,000, 40,000 accounts they have. So I know such people, and a big group of people who is holding this back, their take profit is 4,700. Yes. So I was talking to them in the morning as well before the live stream, and then I was like, anyways, bullish. So when I get into this opportunity, I took it. And after 3rd October, this is my first live stream in the London session. And that go 300 pips immediately. Like, I was all like, whoa, the market is early morning giving me this. It's not early morning right here, but I mean session wise early morning. So, no. Markin, Joroj, I did not get a chance. I always traded with my own money. Okay. I did not trade it with funded accounts. You just understand these things, okay? Did you get that 25% closed right here already? I did not get a chance, my friend. I was talking. This 25%, my friend, this is on your behalf, okay? When you make profit, you will be. Anyways, I'm joking. This 25% was supposed to be closed right here, my friend. So by now I would be in 75% gross profit. But anyways, let's see, let it drop till here and see. Crazy area this is, but at least I'm happy that I'm not going to give back. Like still this is around 58 pips of a stop loss. So 115 made and minus 58. So do the calculation. Okay, if it hits the stop loss, okay, if it hits, then. And for the 50%, not for the whole, 50% closed right here in profit. This trend line strategy, a lot of my colleagues and traders said that Aftab, don't share this strategy. I said no, I have to share this one. The more people will be trading it, the better it will be working. It's a very wrong concept that if a strategy go viral or something, it will stop working. No, it will work. Like, same people working on one thing, but 100%, 100% the market makers then can teach, like, if an individual become a complete controller of the market, and there is a movie on it as well, I guess, and or maybe a reality as well. So these traders who bought from here, their stop losses are hit. Okay, those scalpers type of a traders. And I think now is our turn, but no problem. But then, my friend, if it drop from there back till here, there is a bigger 61.8 then. And that bigger 61.8 is where? That is right here. So then I might be, let's see, trying to plan another buy right here. This trend line is actually broken. This is the biggest problem. And from right here, confusions will start. How? Bulls obviously got a defeat. So from right there, now we might be becoming sellers as well. Okay, stop loss gone. Well, still it was a very fantastic trade. See, 75% it almost go. Let's see for another one. Okay, This is still a buying level. Let's see some other time frames a little bit, and let's delete this line for now. Let's clean it a little bit. Okay, maybe a sell trap it can be, maybe a buy trap it can be. My friend, the level is very strong. Okay, this is a very strong level. This, I mean, good level, not proved strong yet. Okay, let's see if I get some pin bar, some engulfing, something. Then maybe on the 5 minute I can take another buy, but I don't think so. It is going for a buy further. Okay, it is coming back down. People are trading it as this now, as this. But for that, well, H1 candle is not so much satisfactory, but it shows me now this. My friend, the thing is, this is a very crazy sharp down move. Then 44.90 it will be showing us. Yes, my friends, it will be showing us this till tomorrow, if this break successfully happens. Okay, otherwise for scalping, well, maybe for scalping we can look at it this way and plan something from there as this. Less stop loss, and I mean like bigger take profit. Take profit is way too big. This is around 226 pips of a take profit it will be. Let's wait a little bit. It is still in a buy technically. If a pattern is confirmed, we can easily buy. Let me head over to your chat if there is any. If a trend line get broken, yes, I can take a sell setup, but I already took 2 trades today. I cannot trade more than 3 or 4 trades. Yes, those quick ones, the ones that I used to do in November and December, those were a little bit different markets. These are a little bit different markets. Market moves 20-25 pips in one click. So I may not be able to trade that one. I get your question, like you want to say that this broken, and even the retest has not yet occurred as per the strategy. Then the retest has to be right here. But the more time one spend inside it, the more complicated it become, because then we also think that on M15 there is this pattern as well. So then it gets complicated, and when it gets complicated, it start to work against us. This is what I teach in my strategy. Good market overall. It is very fantastic market, and nicely it is working. One hour has been completed. Let's see my US 100 trade. Wow, break in. Great. Maybe till tomorrow it can rally down, okay? Then same will be for the gold, but let's see. This order block today played out right here. Oh, this is that morning level, my friend. Exactly this morning level. It will be showing me a cell. If it go up there, it will be showing me a cell as this. Okay. This is like 1.39 risk to reward. But I might not be going for it. Okay. See, I want to be then still looking for some other buying level or something. By the way, this level was very good for buying, but I did not see it already. Let's see this 5-minute candle. If it closes as this in 4 minute, maybe from there it can drop till here. Okay, so yes, one can trade this as well. I'm not in favor of it anymore. Nicely. For now, I just don't want to sell. Okay. Let me head over to your comments. HKY, I have started to take good trades now even by myself, but now I'm having a new problem. I can't hold my trades till TP. Oh, HK1, this is something you need to work on. Very dangerous it is. You want to book it and not lose it. This is how this market is. That's why this 50% rule is always there. See, I would be definitely sad if this whole stop loss 100 position, 100% of the position was hit. It's SL. I would be sad. So when you close 50%, just leave the rest of it. Okay, let's find out on the, oh my friend, look at this. Wow. Let's see if I want to buy till tomorrow from right here. My friend, 600 pips of a stop loss can give me, oh, 974 pips till tomorrow. What should I do? Let's see if I can get it from a little bit good price, then I will be taking it. Did you guys made profit from this trade or from the morning trade? I will be coming in the night as well, okay? Okay, this trade is now ready. Stop loss 156 pips, take profit. Take profit 1 is 180 pips and take profit 2 is 366 pips. Overall it looks like as this, and 50% closing area is this. 50% profit taking, but %, because from right here I might be then buying as well. Okay, 156 pips of a stop loss. See, these days gold gives a lot of the move. That's why even stop losses on the 1 minute are this much big. Oh, that's great. That's great, HK Wines. That's very great. I mean, sellers are not taking good part in it. Maybe they are confused because on the H1 and these other, there is a big pattern formed right here. A bigger one. Okay. And if it break, market will be straight down to 44.72. Yes, this is also true. But I mean, we are looking for such a small time frame, so 50% it should give till here. Even if your position is big, you can, as soon as it break below, you move your stop to break even. And if you are holding it from right here, you are very lucky. This market needs daring people who are disciplined, who are daring, who understand each and everything. They are successful in this market. Every trade they take is in their favor. Every trade. I mean, trade is good, but selling all the way on the support on the higher time frames where there is a bullish pattern confirmation. Let's see the 15-minute what it tells us. Okay, 15-minute tells us nothing. Tells us nothing, my friends. Let's see 50% if we can get. This is around 180 pips. So good, not bad. You can move stop to break even. Okay, be safe. And today I did 3 trades. 1, 2, 50% of this get in, and hopefully inshallah 50% this one I will get. Inshallah I will get it, this 50%, and if I'm lucky I can get this whole. Yes, come on, little bit more. 50% is gone. Oh, there is an ABCD pattern as well as this. So yes, the actual take profit, this one will be here. 50% booked. Okay, night stream will be approximately 10 Yes, 10 p.m. maybe a little bit early, 9:30 in next 3 hour approximately. Walaikum assalam, Inamul Rab. How are you doing? You came slightly late. I gave 3 setups today. So let's see. From here, this is now this type of a range. Then either it come back down or either a breakout retest and boom. 50% booked, rest of the stop loss moved to break even. Pattern identified, but the thing is I cannot buy. I will be buying only on the close above this as this, but let's see if that zone is good enough for buying or not. Maybe it suggests now as this, but I'm not for now buying. I mean, stop loss is very less and the level becomes so much obvious. But anyways, let's add last position of the day, and once it gets hit, this will be the last position of the day, but it has a bigger take profit. Risk to reward is 2.49 and 365 pips of a take profit and 146 pips of a stop loss. But I mean, if 100 pips when it gives you, still that's more than enough. Okay, well, in a scalping we need to change mind and direction very quickly. Okay, so this will be then another retest, but let's see if it hits. I will wind up this session for today. We still have more time, like little time left, 13 minutes only. Then see, big volume is expected and then this story will be finished as well. But I think no, I will try to, well, I try to book loss on this one. Okay, I just changed my mind. No, not here, maybe right here, but not there. See, change of mind will always be occurring to everyone. It's not just me or someone, everyone. It has made similar trend line like our first trade. Sir, won't we wait for trend line break before entering? We will. For this, see, I left the position. For this position, yes, this trend line will be breaking, then retest and then continuation. And Inam, you said the first trade, this one here. The first trade is here. This is the opposite of it. Maybe it can potentially drop from there. $45.68 is the level. Okay, this is why I don't take much trades. Okay, because then a person gets confused. Confusion is also a very psychological problem for most of the traders. Yes, my friends. Waiting just 12 minutes. Even if it go back up, this trend line can push it back down. To get a proper bull, we need a break above this. Break above retest and nice continuation back up. But as far as it is below this, we will be treating it as bearish. So let's see. For now there is no other opportunity. I will try to join you in around 3 hours. Today is my first day of having 3 sessions per day. Let's see what it brings us further. See, this is how profits are made at the comfort of your home. You don't need to go anywhere, nothing. Just learn these stuff, these things, my videos, my live streams, all of the education is present. Come every day to the channel and see what it brings us. Now my friends, it has created a pattern. Okay, now this pattern can obviously, I would like to place some risk on this one. Now this is the pattern one. Okay, this is not the it can still come back down till here. Okay, so those who are selling the rest of the 50% can close it right here. Otherwise this will be then the 50% area. Okay, so let's see how then this trades perform, and let's see if quickly it gives us 150 pips. I will leave it. This is a very good trade. Okay, not bad at all. Good pattern it is if it doesn't fail. And the stop loss is actually this much for this pattern, only around 110 pips. I'm giving it a little bit more. Because buy setup and buy pattern is ready made for a bull. Right now the Nasdaq people will come and buy setup is almost ready for it. So maybe they can take the liquidity out first, liquidity sweep first, or they can push it up. But I'm like, holding big take profit, so I'm not worried about it. And this is my habit. This pattern is created, my friends. This pattern, this is something. Liquidity sweep maybe soon. It's trying to break this trend line because it has created a pattern. Let's see. Okay, oh, seems like maybe a pattern will fail. See, when I do more trades, then this happens, and this is like, this is that morning area where I took buy. So it was a strong level, that's why it is holding still, but like sellers are also trying their level best. 6 minutes left, then we see. Yes, everyone need to look for stop losses. This one is also not very safe to me, okay? This is very risky, I guess. Because it will be dropping first till here and then who knows, it can like, this ABCD. Maybe emotional people sold right here, and this candle, you see this is a reversal candle as well. If this close bullish, still 5 minutes left, so let's see. Maybe as soon as the Nasdaq opens. Crude oil has gone so much up, my friends. Anyone bought in October made plenty of profits. And I'm so happy about that, because out of that those profitable trades I get also something right? Because see, this is a very fair stuff, okay? Even if I don't teach one-on-one sessions, or even if I don't trade accounts and this and that, still I'm earning much from my strategy, okay? I don't need those things, but just like I came in the morning for 1 hour and made my profit, the rest of the day I'm getting bored. So that's why I do these one-on-one sessions. I train people and try to make them profitable. Even a month ago, one of my member joined me, okay, from Ramadan 2-3 days ago, and he is on a funded challenge. He was $1,500 negative, and he, till last time we speak, $800. He has recovered $500 of a trade is still running. My friend, we have got a break of this trend line, but this is not like a very manly and masculine type of a break, but anyways, it should now continue higher. At least 25% if one wants to book right here, can book. See, honestly tell me, anyone gives you such knowledge and such stuff on their channels, anyone, you will not be going to get like a person like me as a mentor. This is, I'm not saying I'm a very good person and this and that. You guys are telling me in the comments, and you guys are good yourself. Okay, you guys are good yourself, that's why. But I was saying is like my 10 years worth of experience and hard work and this and that, kids crying, kids sometimes ill, and there is a trade, and this 10 years is a very big time frame, my friends. So anyone who joined me becomes a good trader within a year. But obviously I can hardly focus on like per year, hardly focus on, like, you must be laughing that people of my experience and stuff, they are opening groups and big groups and this and that, and recording courses and then selling ready-made courses to make more money. Nah, my friend, I don't do that. This is not my habit. My friends, get ready for a bullish rally, okay? Something very beautiful is going to be cooked and is in the process. The entry point will still be the same. Those traders who want to enter right here with a less stop loss, just wait for it to go and hit this level, then come back down. Then here it will give us a 1 minute good less risky setup. Maybe at least this much we can target then, because there is no other news, so why it will be skyrocketing. 6:30 it is already right here the time. So I mean, maybe now strong volume is expected. Let's see if it is stopping me out or like 30 minutes. Let's see a little bit 30-minute chart. Well, 30-minute is not very much satisfactory, I should say. Even a bearish engulfing candlestick pattern it created. This candle and this, you see, both of them, this one and this one, like if we combine, this whole become a bearish engulfing, this whole. Anyways, I'm still holding. Try to get quick profits from the market. These are the days where people can make printing money in this market. Why? Because even on the 1 minute, gold gives such beautiful moves that are present in front of us. When it was not trading nicely, I switched to the euro. When it is trading nicely, like even see, I made 450 pips today. On the euro US dollar in the whole month, I cannot make that much. But when there is an opportunity present in the gold, I focus on the gold. I don't look at the euro. But when there is nothing in the gold, then I see, okay, let's see the euro dollar GBP. But it doesn't mean I will be stopping the analysis or stuff. No, the analysis will still be there. Now see, does anyone give you such setups? 185 pips is booked on this one. Okay, 185 pips, and if it closes above this retest, it can continue further up, then further up. These are, remember, 3 different trades. This is one trade, this, okay, this is second trade, breakout, retest, continuation. As a scalping I'm discussing, okay, the same one trade opportunity. And this is another trade opportunity as this. Then maybe we see a break above retest and a continuation. Different opportunities, one market, one time frame. Pure logic behind it. 50% booked. This is a reaction area and I will expect some sort of reaction right here. Well, if today's stream is 2 hours, then maybe I will not be coming live later tonight, okay? A little bit, this is bearish engulfing, so this can be a little bit scary, I should say. So 50% is booked. Let's see, rest of the 50% is still running with the same. This is, let's wait 2 3 4 minutes right here and then we see what it gives us right here. Good rejection area it can be, and it is actually. I want to keep these sessions smaller in length so that you can see them. Did anyone took it from right here? Anyone with a less stop loss? 70 pips immediately it gave. It's okay, my friends. Every time we will not be trading, every time we will not be making money. Sometimes we will be switching. When I was not trading gold US dollar, I earned very less on the euro US dollar. In 1 month, I earned good money on trading gold, and in the whole month, I made this much profit. Like maybe around from 5th of January, the first weekly forex forecast till this March, end of March, I made a very small money. Just you imagine 1700 pips in January, February, in 3 months, 1700 pips from euro dollar, which is good for the euro US dollar. But those who gets at take fun of gold, like just in the morning I took 300s from right here, 185 pips got from right here, then obviously this level will be giving me something. Then there I took another sell, if you remember, 50% I got from there, from this one. Rest with the break even, stop out, simple. So yes, let's see later, 10 p.m. Okay, so take care of yourself. This is a very good entry, by the way, very perfect one, but it will be doing it zigzaggy stuff. Any questions? Make sure to give me a thumbs up on this stream so that I come live every day, and not just once but several times a day. I will be coming, and I will be talking to you. I will be giving you these setups. Try to come every day to this stream, and you will be becoming better in trading, right? So take care, and I will see you later tonight. Goodbye.